there's the house. And there's the new property. So pretty much literally across the street, because my marker is down there about 150, 200 feet. And this down here is the new property. So I'm gonna go check it out. We just signed for it yesterday. I just got moved in yesterday and leave for the trip in 2 days. So stay tuned for that. Trip is going to be a week motorcycle trip. My dad's actually going to be following in the car. He wants to go, but he doesn't ride. That'll be a blast. So now I just got to get the kayak off the truck, take her down to the water, and really don't know what the layout is because, as you can see, it's pretty thick, so it's kind of hard to get an idea of what the land looks like. And the maps are, you know, they're kind of hard to read, hard to get an idea exactly. But this is about 6.5 acres over here. All right, it looks like my dad carved out a nice little path all the way down to the water. Let me go ahead and get the kayak off and head down there. Let's see what we got. Oh, that's great.